What's going on, guys? So a few days ago I put up this poll on YouTube. It's like, what kind of vids you guys want to see next, and William commented that he wanted to see a front flip tutorial, so that's what we're going to do today. But also, you guys can still vote on this poll. It's still up on YouTube. All you gotta do is go to the community tab on my channel, and it's really helpful for me if you guys vote. So let's get started with the video. Hey guys, so today I was gonna film a flip tutorial, but if you look outside, that's just Minnesota for you guys. Alright guys, so now we're outside, and this is actually a voiceover. I originally filmed the audio for this, but it turned out really bad. So anyways, I'm going to be using the snow as a cushion, but you guys can use, pillows or couch cushions, or you don't even really need cushions, honestly, for a front flip. As long as you don't land on your back, you should be fine if you're on the grass. Basically what we're going to do is we're going to start from a somersault and slowly jump higher and use our hands less and less, and this just gets you used to just flipping over and doing the flip, gets you more confident, and eventually you'll do the flip with no hands. And don't do what I just did here. For some reason I didn't plant both my feet at the same time, and that's not what you want to do. You want to make sure you punch both your feet down right before you do the flip, because that will give you the most power. And if you're also struggling to get your front flip down, whether it's like to get more height, one thing you could do is buy a mini tramp, which you can get like $15 off of Walmart. And especially if you're used to doing the front flip on the trampoline, this will just make the transition from trampoline to ground a lot easier. So if you're also struggling, another tip is if you're struggling to get power or height, but you're not trying to use the mini tramp, my recommendation is just to sprint as fast as you can. For me, that's always worked. It helps me get a lot more momentum if I just sprint as fast as I can. In my opinion, the two most important things to learning a front flip is to make sure that you're throwing your arms with a lot of force and that you're tucking your knees when you flip. And if you do these two things, then with some practice you should be able to land your front flip. If you're still having trouble landing your front flip or doing a front flip, or you're just too scared to do a front flip, you're not comfortable, I would just say go to a trampoline, like any trampoline. There's trampoline parks and gyms out there that have trampolines. I know not everyone has access, but if you do, go to a trampoline and practice your front flips, because this is the best way. Do everything I've been telling you. Use your arms and tuck. Once you're comfortable landing them, I would do them, practice your front flip standing without jumping. And once you can land your front flip standing, like every single time that you do it, then you're definitely ready to go to the ground and you should be able to land it. That's going to be it for today's video. I hope this video helped you, and make sure when you're doing the front flip or practicing it, you're just being careful. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching.